Is it Peter?
Judge Corbin, can you hear me?
Can, Mr. Ratliff. Can you hear me, sir?
I sure can.
Okay, we're off to a good start then.
I think my client may be logging on even as we speak. How's
Okay.
everything down here? Country? Y'all have some rain?
We have. It's been cold and rainy, not a whole lot of accumulation.
It's clearing right now here.
Yep, here too. We are having a little bit of sunshine, so we'll take it.
How long have you been county judge?
I started in January of 21.
You like it?
I do. I find it very fulfilling, so I've enjoyed it. There's some days are better than others. You deal with a lot of problems, of course.
And you run the criminal docket too, is that correct?
That's correct. Yes, sir. We don't get a lot of volume down here, but we usually have court one day a month, and it's usually 10 to 15 individuals. So not too bad on that.
Get a lot of game violations this time of year?
We get a few, not too many. We have one game warden. He stays pretty busy, but a lot of those end up in the justice court. So unless it's an appeal or something, I think they mostly start as Class C misdemeanors.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, your office is in San Angelo?
Sir?
Your office in San Angelo?
Yes, sir. I've known Ms. Malone for years, but I didn't know her as Ms. Reed until recently.
And they're pretty spread out, it looks like. One of the kids is in Arizona and somewhere else, Florida for Miss Reed.
Florida.
Well, this I heard over 1,500 cases via Zoom during COVID with Operation Lone Star in support of all that stuff. So I got pretty comfortable with it, and it's pretty handy for these situations where you have a simple hearing and people don't live close by.
Mm-hmm. Let me have Christine check and see how they're coming.
Sounds good.
I'll talk to my secretary a moment, Judge. Anything from them? So she was still trying to log in.
Do you expect the kids to attend?
I do not. Well, one of them may indicated they might.
Okay, I hadn't seen anybody pop in yet.
Ms. Eggleston is your clerk, is that correct?
Yes, sir. She's the county and district clerk.
Okay, I thought it was. I thought I recognized her. Okay. Raina, you're muted. There you go.
Can you hear me?
We can hear you.
Okay.
Are you Miss
Okay.
Reed?
No, I'm her daughter.
Okay.
So she should be joining. So it might take her a little bit.
Mr. Ratliff, is Miss Reed the only one you're going to have testify?
Yes, Judge. And I've got I believe, already have her affidavit.
Yes, sir, I do.
Well, hopefully she'll be here in a sec.
This is her.
We've got everybody, Marina. She may be contacting them.
She's kind of new to doing Zoom and all, so
Can you hear me, ma'am?
No, I'm sorry. We were just finally getting.
We can hear you now.
Can you hear us, Rena?
Yes.
Okay, good deal. Well, good morning, everyone. I'm Judge Corbin. I'm the county judge here in Menard, and we will call to order. Today, we are sitting in probate matters, and this is cause number 2023-02181 in the matter of the estate of Darren Wayne Malone. And Ms. Reed, I understand you're going to testify this morning, so I'm going to swear you in. If you'll raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You may proceed, Mr. Ratliff.
That's fine, Your Honor. Would the court take judicial notice of the file and the contents of it?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Rena, would you state your full name, please?
Rena Sharon Reed,
And where do you live, Rena?
825 Bayshore Drive, apartment 1103, Pensacola, Florida, 32507.
You were the mother of Darren Wayne Malone, is that correct?
Yes,
And he died on June the 10th, 2023 in Menard County, Texas. Is
yes,
that correct?
yes,
He was 54 years of age at that time, and not more than 4 years have elapsed since that date. Is that right?
correct.
And he had property located there in Menard that needs probate on it. Is that correct?
Yes, they're in Fort McCavitt, Menard County.
In Menard County.
Yes,
And I believe the sheriff's department has custody of his firearms. Is that correct?
I'm sorry. Repeat.
I believe the sheriff's department has possession of his firearms. Is that correct?
Yes, 2 of them.
Okay. And to the best of your knowledge, he did not leave a will.
No, we haven't been able to find anything.
Okay. And the citation has been returned, and there's a necessity for it because he owned a business called Alphabetics Anonymous LLC. Is that correct? Also known as Fort Trading Post LLC.
Yes, Fort McCabe Trading Post.
And he was never divorced, was he?
Never married.
Okay. And he did, as you say, he did not leave a will, and there's a necessity for the administration of his estate. And to the best of your knowledge, you have not been convicted of a felony or otherwise disqualified to act and accepting letters of administration on this estate. Is that correct?
That would be correct.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. You're residing in Pensacola, and you've asked that I be appointed as the registered agent for service for you. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's all we have, Your Honor, from this witness, unless the court has other questions for Ms.
I don't have any further questions. I do have in here the support documents from Miss Carey, and we're going to have one from your brother as well, Matthew Shane Malone. So it appears that all parties are in agreement, and based on the evidence presented here and the testimony, it will be the order of this court that Ms. Reed be appointed as the independent administratrix and be granted the letters that were requested so that she may administer the estate.
Ms. Eggleston, would you give us about 4 letters?
Yes, sir, I sure will. Would you like me to mail them to you, Mr. Ratliff?
Just mail them to us. And
I
I'll
can
see
do
Ms.
it.
Reed gets any she needs.
You didn't
Thank you
tell
very
me.
much.
Absolutely,
He
yes, sir.
said your brother, he's your son.
You were talking about Lori's.
Is there any other questions or anything else?
No, Your Honor.
No.
Okay. If there's nothing further, we'll be adjourned. We are sorry for your loss, family, and let us know if there's anything else you need from Menard County.
Thank you, Judge Corbin.
Thank you.
Thank you, folks. Bye-bye.
Bye.